Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Shiba new, be cautious. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see what's going on. They trying to scare millions of investors up out of a good deal, guys. But it is true. But it's not something that you should get scared and run over or even sell your position out of unless you over leverage yourselves and got too much invested in Sheeb. If you got $10,000, 20,000, 30,000, big money in Sheeb, yes, it makes sense to sell so you could save yourself 10,000, 5,000. 15,000 on the back end, depending on how much you got invested, because of the 21% decline that could possibly happen. So let's go ahead and talk about it, guys, and share with you guys exactly why this could happen and what's going on. So if we look at this, guys, they say why Shiba Inu holders need to hold their horses on Shiba purchase. Shiba Inu yielded impressive gains over the past week. However, analysts have identified bearish signals in the meme coin's price chart, which I identified as well, guys, and we'll get to in a minute. Coinbase price page indicates that Shiba Inu has a higher average hold time than Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is an indicative of declining volatility in Shiba. Analysts predict a 21% decline in Shiba Inu price if the meme coins falls to sustain above the 4011 level, guys. So let's go ahead and share our opinion on that and what's exactly is going on. So some may say, well, Shiba's on the up and up right now, Bitcoin is on the up and up right now. Exactly, that's what Hayes had called. All the way from $50,000 Bitcoin down to 20K. We called it. We said it would drop under 20K, come down, test at 17,200. If it broke, no, not 17,200, if it broke 18,200, it did, came down to 17K, gave us the indication it could come all the way down to 10K. But before it went to 10K, I told you guys it would be a bullish market within the bearish market, meaning for the stock market and crypto, and it happened for both. Crypto went from Bitcoin specifically went from 17,000 to 25,000. My prediction was for it to go from 17,000 to 28,000, between 28 and 30,000. It almost hit, but it didn't quite fulfill it because it came back down, pulled back because of the psychological points of the market and many other factors. A lot of people to start pouring in money once they see movement and see something moving other than, you know, buying on the dip. So that's why as soon as stuff run, it's pulled back because the market ain't made to let people make easy money. So it ain't gonna just keep running. It's gonna scare them people off, and then it's gonna finish running. And what wouldn't scare somebody off more than Bitcoin running up to 24 and dropping back under 20,000, going down to 19K, thinking it's about to go all the way back to 10K that we had called, but it ain't gonna do exactly just yet. It's gonna have a couple more bullish markets within this bearish market, meaning playing with you a bit, gonna run up to 20,000s plus and then come back down under 20,000 and do that a few times before it make that significant drop. And that's what we seeing in a nutshell, guys. Shiba Inu as of now just broke 4013. It's about to take off, run up probably 20-30% before coming back down and reversing and dipping 20%, just like Bitcoin, and possibly even more for Shiba Inu. 20% is on a light day. This bad boy could possibly pull back 40-50%, guys. So be very, very cautious and careful. Not saying, you know, that be scared of anything, because long term, this is a banger, a winner. I just protect people in the short term period that's put saying boatloads of cash and don't want to see their portfolio dip like that. If we go back and you've been following the channel, you know I saved you one time before with Shiba Inu before it showed 5 zeros. I told you guys I sold everything. Go back, look at the history. I got a video, sold all my Shiba Inu because I knew the drop was coming, and it came, and I saved people over 50-60% of their money, and they was thanking me. So you already know, guys, not speaking as if I'm always right, but what I know, it always give you the advantage over everybody else that don't know anything at all. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. Get in VIP. Also, hit me up if you want a 15-minute or 30-minute phone call. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.